Welcome to Lesson 2-4 on multiplying and dividing integers. Please turn to page 66 in your textbook. All right, let's begin. You can think of multiplication as repeated addition. As we know, we could think of 3 times 2 as 3 groups of 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2, which equals 6. In the same way, 3 times negative 2 is 3 groups of negative 2. Negative 2 plus negative 2 plus negative 2 equals negative 6. Let's look at that on a number line. So right here we're doing 3 groups of negative 3. Starting at 0, we have our first group of negative 3, our second group, and our third group, which brings us to negative 9. So 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Example B, negative 4 times 2. Here we have 2 groups of negative 4. Starting at 0, here's our first group of negative 4 and our second group of negative 4. That leaves us at negative 8. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Let's go ahead and look at this little box here. Multiplication and division are inverse operations. They undo each other. Notice how these operations undo each other in the pattern shown. So here we have negative 3 times 2 equals negative 6. The inverse is negative 6 divided by negative 3 equals positive 2. Okay, well, take a second to look over that chart. Okay, let's read through it. The pattern below suggests that when the signs of two integers are different, such as a negative and a positive here, negative and a positive, their product or quotient ends up being negative. The pattern also suggests that the product or quotient of two negative integers, so we have two negative integers being multiplied or divided, will give you a positive answer. Okay, so here's the rule for multiplying and dividing two integers. If the signs are the same, either two positives or two negatives, your answer will be positive. If the signs are different, your answer will be negative. Okay, let's go ahead and try a couple of those. So here we have both signs are negative, so our answer has to be positive. All we really have to do is 4 times 2. For the next one, we can just do 3 times 6 is 18. And then we notice that the signs were different in our problem, so our product is negative. Same signs, positive answer. Different signs, negative answer. It works just the same for dividing. So here, the division of 72 divided by 9 is 8. We know it's negative 8 because they had different signs. Here they had the same signs, so once we divide and get 20, we keep it positive. There is a quick note right here. 0 divided by any number is 0, but you cannot find an answer for division by 0. For example, negative 6 divided by 0 does not equal 0 because 0 times 0 does not equal negative 6. So in this type of problem, when we have division by 0, the answer is the word undefined. You would just write undefined. All right. So you have some problem sets to do. I'm going to ask that you turn to page 68, and you'll see your problem sets there. And let me go ahead and write down your assignments. I'm going to insert a new page here. And your assignment will be, please do numbers 1 through 46, odd problems only. Okay, so numbers 1 through 46, odd problems only. You can go ahead and pause the video now and work on that problem set, and then come back when you're ready to check your answers. Alrighty, here are the answers for the first section, 1 through 17. Remember, you were doing odd problems. Take some time to see how you did. And pause the video if you need more time. Here are the answers for the second portion of problems. This is 18 through 46. Take your time to grade the work you did. And as always, feel free to pause this if you need more time. And that's it for lesson 2-4 on multiplying and dividing integers. Thank you for all of your hard work. This is Miss Mega signing off.